Hey, I'm Bryce with Salford Group here, and today we're going to go over the 246 daily inspection. So starting with your hoses, your hydraulic hoses, you just want to inspect them to make sure that they're not leaking or there's no cuts or tears or any wear on them. After that, we're going to go to the back of the machine and we're going to look at your delivery hoses. So you can get a better view of it from the back. So we just want to make sure all your hoses are in good condition, nothing is worn, nothing has holes. One big one too is make sure they're not touching the clutches. These hoses, sometimes they'll loop up and touch the clutches and then they'll cause wear. So we take the metering roller out and we look inside here. Want to make sure there's no debris in your hopper and make sure your roller is in good condition. So just look over all your grooves, make sure there's no nicks or cuts out of it. And you want to do this for every single section. So there's 4 of them here. You want to take each out and make sure there's nothing going to fall out of the hopper and then wreck your roller. Rocks, bolts, nuts, anything like that can ruin the roller. Okay, so then we're going to come to our metering. This is ISO hydraulic. So there's a hydraulic motor here. If it's mechanical, there's going to be a ground drive tire and a gearbox. All you're going to want to check to make sure, again, hoses all in good condition, and then on the inside you got sprockets and chains. Just make sure all the chains are hooked up, sprockets are aligned, there's nothing out of alignment, nothing going to break. Same thing, your fan is hydraulic. You can get a gas drive motor, but this one's hydraulic. Again, check your hoses and then check that there's no debris on the cage of the fan. Straw, if you're going in snow, this can compile with snow or straw, stubble. All right, so then on the back of the machine, when you have it hooked up to the tractor, this is a hydraulic, so you're gonna have it hooked up to your ISO plug. Just make sure all your metering runs and your clutches engage and disengage. You know that when the hydraulics are powered and you have the meters on, these will turn and you should be able to turn each section off. And then when these are turning, your roller should turn. So just make sure that the clutches engage and your rollers turn freely. Last thing on the machine is you're going to want to start your fan, get it up to operating RPMs, which is 42 to 4500, and just make sure all the debris is out of the tube. So all your air will flow, no product or nothing. Just make sure that the deflectors, tubes, and manifolds are all free of debris. And if you have any other questions or any concerns, please contact your local Salford dealer.